I never realized how big my forehead is until I wear straight hair like this. Hey guys, so we are shut up. We are headed to Bonefish Grill. It is our anniversary today. It's our 1 year. A lot has happened in this 1 year. So yeah, but this has been good. We're not fast actually. It don't even seem like it's been a year. It seems like it's been longer actually. It seems like it's been longer, but I don't know. But yeah, but my lash keeps sticking. Get it to go eat, and then after that we'll probably go to go listen to some live music and stuff for a little bit like that. But yeah, I know my boobs are like
showing a little.
I know, cause they're filling up. Cause I need the pump. I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom and just squeeze it out. Was it that Travis Scott? Of course. Oh yeah, that's like your new friend right now. That's your homie right now. You forgot all about Ty. You let Ty. You and Ty ain't friends.
Nah, that's my boy too.
Y'all ain't friends.
Yo, so.
I never realized how big my forehead is until I wear straight hair like this. You know what? We should have wore the colors we wore on our first date.
I don't even remember what I wore on my first date.
You had on a purple shirt because I had on purple. Because we was like, oh, we both wearing purple.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was like a lavender.
I got that purple shirt too.
I have it. I looked at it the other day. I said, oh, this is a shirt I wore. Yeah. I was just standing right here. Hey, just do it to be cool. No, don't do it that way because I'm not going to feel it right when I'm vlogging.
Yeah, back up.
Acting funny. I just want you to get the outfit. I like this. Guys, I just had dinner. It was delicious. I had the filet mignon again, and he had the ribeye. So now we're headed to the next spot. So we're gonna go to listen to some live music for a little bit. Hey guys, so we're just leaving. Get in the car.
Christmas set.
Shut up. I'm filming.
Drake Alexander.
So we're just leaving. About to head home. We had a good time.
Man.
I would stare at you. Oh, yeah, girl, what did you do to me?
Well, that's it. We about to get ready to go back home. And we'll see you guys in the next one. This is the end.
Oh yeah. I had a little bit